In this guide, you will learn how to purchase FIFA tickets with packages. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser, navigate to the official website of FIFA, provide your credentials, and log into your account. After you log in, you will be directed to this kind of page. Now here, you're going to find the option of tickets and hospitality. Click on that. Ticket packages usually include multiple match options such as group stays bundles, team-specific packages, or even full tournament hospitality experiences that include premium seating, food, and VIP access. Now you can browse the available package options and select the one that fits your budget and preferred matches. Once you choose your package, you will be taken to checkout page where you can confirm match selections, review pricing, and enter your payment details. Some packages may also be available through official hospitality partners which offer guaranteed seating and premium experiences but at a higher cost. After completing your purchase, you'll receive a confirmation email and later your tickets will be delivered digitally through the official FIFA mobile tickets app before match day. And that's it. Now you know how to buy FIFA World Cup tickets in packages. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.